My name is Matthew, and for the functional specifications document, for the video lecture, I just went over the functional specifications document and how it's written. So, first part was just telling stuff about it, like it's usually written by the software engineering team. This document, unlike others, is not written by the stakeholders. It's not written by the business people. It's written by the actual software team. The audience of this is the customers or stakeholders for confirmation of the requested functionality, and the engineering team for confirmation of what behavior to implement. So basically, it's confirming to the customers like, hey, like, is this what you want? And to the engineering team, like, all right, this is what we're gonna do, and this is how it's gonna behave. The intent is to write functional requirements of the software, and the goal is to achieve team consensus on program before programming. Basically, as a team, you come together and you're like, this is what we're gonna write as a team, and basically how it's gonna work. So basically, the document goes by starting off with the primary use stories or use cases. Basically, this goes 1 through 12 use cases. Basically start like the my summary you see title, and from there down it starts with user story descriptions, informal use case descriptions, and use case flow charts. Basically, this section is all user stories and use cases, basically telling how it should work. And this I actually have messed up. These are not subsections of primary user stories. So the next section is application screen flowchart. Basically, this is just a flowchart of the screen and how it works, and we'll have a link in there of a website to access and how it works. The next section is wireframe layouts, which is basically a look of how the registration page is going to look, and the match search page. So basically, just the first couple of pages, how they're going to look, and then onward and forward. And there's also a website that we can access to show that off, and we'll put a link in the document. So basically, this section was just on the document, and it's not a long section to write. It's just mostly focuses on the use stories and use cases for the team to identify. So the product, the case, so that we can identify what the customers want. All right, thank you.